Mr. Navneet, you are actually coming from which college?
Sir, I am coming from Christianity College, Bangalore, sir.
Acha, what is the degree you are doing?
MBA, sir.
MBA in which
In
subject?
marketing and analytics.
Whenever they ask, you should tell complete degree. Marketing
Okay,
and
sir. Analytics.
what analytics?
Business analytics, sir.
Very
Support. It's a support function, sir.
good. Very good. Very good. Business analytics. Correct. So this is your second mark with me.
Yes, sir.
Good. Your interview with South Indian Bank is going to be on which date?
Tomorrow, sir.
Tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please talk on the concept buy now, pay later. Buy now, pay later. Buy now, pay later.
Sir,
Yeah.
I am not.
Somebody. Yeah. Buy now, pay later. What is that concept?
I am not aware of that, sir.
Why? So I think many companies are offering this scheme whereby, you are buying things now and then pay later. Why I gave you this question? Today in one company interviews, they have given this concept, buy now, pay later. What is
Okay,
the
sir.
buy now, pay later option of Flipkart? With Flipkart, pay later, you can buy products right away and pay later. The idea is to make an order without having to pay at the moment. Samajh gaya? Could you
Sure,
follow,
sir.
Navaneet? So
Yes,
you
sir.
please try to know something about this.
Sure, sir.
Buy now, pay
Pay
later.
later.
So there is another concept known as credit card, where using a credit card you can buy and then you have to pay after the bill is made.
Okay.
But then in that also, they are nowadays giving option for paying in stages. But of course,
Okay,
they will charge interest. Same thing, these people also will be doing. Very good. Now, talking about group discussion topics,
sure.
now please tell me one nation, one election. Please talk on this. One nation, one election.
Sir, myself, Navneet, I just want to start this topic with the point that India is a democratic country, and India consider a electoral voting system. The people who are above the age of 18 can vote, and the EVM electronic voting machine is used by India rather than the traditional traditional ballot form of voting. So by converting to one nation, one vote, the voting system can be centralized throughout the thing, and the corruption can be eradicated.
Come on, speak.
Eradicated.
Yeah. Come on. You tomorrow, if you get a topic like this, what you are going to do? Because in today's newspaper, this topic has come.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So you must be able to tell some points regarding this, that the ex-president Ramakant, he was the chairman of this committee, and the committee members have submitted a report nearly 20,000 pages or so. In that, they have recommended that we should be able to adopt one nation, one election, because it will save a lot of cost. Initially, when the country got independence, the elections were conducted on the same day for Lok Sabha as well as assemblies. But as days went by, what happened? Some assemblies had to be dissolved, so fresh elections were held. That is why you have nowadays elections for state assemblies taking place on different dates. So this involves extra expenditure, and that expenditure can be saved if we go for one nation, one election concept. Out of the so many political parties, it seems some 37 parties or so have accepted this. They say it is good to have this. Some 15 parties have objected to this. That is the situation as on today. Okay. You
Okay, sir.
can go through, you just go through Google, make a search, you may get some more points also.
Sure, sir. I will do
But
so.
but this chat GPT may not give because it will one nation, one election.
They
Because
will show data 2022.
only 2021 or 2022 only. But even then he is giving, Baba.
Okay.
See, he is giving. The topics he has given is 1, cost saving; 2, administrative efficiency; 3, policy continuity; 4, reduced campaigning distractions; 5, voter convenience. However, the critics who say, they say it is constitutional challenges, then logistical challenges. Conducting a nationwide election simultaneously require extensive planning, impact on regional issues, dominance of national issues, reduced accountability, something like that. So please search and get to know the points. Okay,
Sure, sir.
very good. So you are studying MBA marketing.
Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me the concept of marketing, 4 P's?
So the 4 P's of marketing are product, price, place, promotion. While coming to 7 P's of marketing, it will include uh, physical evidence, process, and people. Because that 3 is contributing to the service marketing, and the first 4 is coming to the product marketing.
So of these, which one is very, very important and why?
So the product is very much important, sir. Without the product, we can't sell, sir.
Mm.
So the product is important. Rest all are the supporting factor where we should focus, where we should sell, at which price we should sell, at which quantity, and which to whom we should sell. These all are the supporting factors which would support the product, sir. So the product is the more important thing, sir. So that is why while designing of the product also we need such a lot of research and development, sir.
Good. You should say not only research, but you should say the product that we are bringing should be unique,
Yes, sir.
and it should be one which is having special features as
And
compared to competitors' products.
competitors.
And the quality of the product should be excellent.
Uh,
So like that, you should add some points and then speak. Understand?
sure, sir.
Very good. So, Mr. Navneet, what is your father? Tell us about your family. 1 minute. I will switch on this laptop. And Ram, Ram.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please tell me what is it I asked?
Father, sir.
About your family. Please tell us about your family.
Sir, in my family, there are 4 members, sir. Me, my father, mother, sister. My father is currently working as a bill collector in State Cooperative Bank, and my mother is a housewife, and my sister is currently pursuing teacher's training course.
Good. So, why did you choose MBA marketing? What was the basic degree you studied?
Sir, I have done BBA in BBA General, sir. After that, I just want to join. I was very interested to join banking sector. So while I made a research on that, at that time I came to know that MBA MBA will be a great option for that. But at that time you will be thinking that why you didn't choose about MBA in finance or marketing, because as I did my PUC in computer science, I was not able to grasp the finance in BBA, even though that was the time where COVID was breakout. So the classes were taken through online. So it was forced me to study through online, and the difficulty level was high. So I thought in MBA, if I took MBA in finance, it won't make me to achieve my goals, because I have to face the failures. So I thought of marketing will be good. Also nowadays, today banking is all related about sales and marketing, sir, because bank will generate revenue through sales only. Bank have different kinds of products. So the main motive of the bank is to generate revenue. Then only they can sustain in this field, sir.
Okay. Now, why should a bank go for marketing their products?
Sir, the initial revenue of the bank is through their selling of the products, sir, rather than the service. The service is also part of the bank, but the thing is that the revenue generation is done through the banking, sir, like products like loans and mutual funds, other para facilities like locker facilities, mutual fund, wealth management, portfolio management. So the banks are dealing, if for example, if you are taking about insurance, the bank will tied up with several insurance companies like Star Life in Health Insurance, HDFC Life Insurance, SBI Life. So while selling a product through a product like this insurance, the bank will gain commission. So this commission value more than what they earn through the loans.
Mm.
So the bank prefer marketing, sir.
Okay. Please tell me your qualities that you have that will be helpful in banking.
Sir, I have strong leadership skills, sir, and I possess strong interpersonal skill and communication skill, and I am very much disciplined and punctual, sir. I can substantiate with many examples, sir. For example, I have been nominated as a class representative for the trimester 5 in my MBA life, and I have also nominated several times for team head in the national level management fest, and I also led team for business plan presentation in our college. And I am leading the team lead of college media team, sir. And I am very much determined and hardworking, sir, because as I am from a computer science background, I have to work hard in order to pursue my BBA. And I was very hardworking and determined, and I was the batch topper of that batch, sir. It's a distinction of 82.49%, sir.
Tell me something about public sector and private sector banks.
So the public sector bank include the bank which are nationalized bank are called public sector bank. The private sector banks are the banks which are scheduled bank under RBI Act 2. The examples of private sector banks are South Indian Bank, Federal Bank, Catholic Syrian Bank, Dhanlakshmi Bank, and the public sector bank examples are SBI, Punjab National Bank, Punjab Sind Bank.
Now, what is
Canara Bank.
cloud? What is cloud computing? Why cloud computing?
Sir, cloud computing refers to a type of this is a world we are dealing with so much of data, sir. So the cloud computing mainly refers to we are utilizing the online servers for making data processing and all. One of the cloud computing examples, sir.
No, you are not able to come out with it. Please read this. Cloud computing
refers to network or the internet. It is a technology used to remote servers on the internet to store, manage, and access data online rather than local drives. The data can be anything such as files, images, documents, audio, video, and more. The following are the operations that we can do using cloud computing.
Which one are you reading now?
The second, okay, I was reading the second paragraph, sir.
So you are reading second paragraph. Very good.
Okay.
Now, what is cloud computing? Read this. The term
Cloud refers to the network or the internet. It is a technology that uses remote servers. In 1 minute, sir. It is a technology that uses remote servers on the internet to store, manage, and access data online rather than local drives. The data can be anything such as files, images, documents, audio, video, and more. There are following operations that we can do using cloud computing.
Read.
Developing new application and services, storage, backup, and recovery of data, hosting blogs and websites, delivery of software on demand, analysis of data, streaming video and audio. Why cloud computing? Small as well as large IT companies follow the traditional method to provide IT infrastructure. That means for any IT company, we need a server room. That is a basic need of IT companies. In that server room, there should be a database server, mail server, networking, firewalls, routers, modems, switches, QPS. Query per second means how much queries or load will be handled by the server. Configurable system, high net speed, and maintenance engineers. To establish such IT infrastructure, we need to spend a lot of money. To overcome all these problems and reduce the IT infrastructure cost, cloud computing comes to existence.
Characteristics of cloud
computing. The characteristics of cloud computing are given below. Agility. The cloud works in a distributed computing environment. It shares resources among users and works very fast. High availability and reliability. The availability of servers is high and more reliable because the chances of infrastructure failure are minimum. High scalability. Cloud offers on-demand provisioning of services of resources on a large scale without having engineers for peak loads. Multi-sharing. With the help of cloud computing, multiple users and applications can work more efficiently with cost reduction by sharing common infrastructure. Device and location independence.
1 minute. Yes. Hello. 1 minute. Yeah, a bit, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, please read the devices and location independent.
Cloud computing enables the users to access systems using a web browser regardless of their location or what device they use. Example, PC, mobile phones, etc. As infrastructure is offsite and access typically provided by a third party and accessed by the internet users can connect from anywhere. Maintenance of cloud computing application is easier since they don't need to be installed on each user's computer and can be accessed from different places. So it reduces the cost also. Low cost.
Good. That doesn't matter. Like this, it goes so much. So your answer was not sufficient.
Okay, sir.
Understand? No problem. Tell me, who is the Vice President of America? Excuse me, who is the Vice President of America?
Not aware of
Kamala Harris. Mrs. Kamala Harris.
Kamala Harris.
Now, who is the Prime Minister of UK?
Rishi Sunak, sir.
Very good. Rishi Sunak is son-in-law of which person?
Sorry, sir.
Rishi Sunak is son-in-law of which Indian, say, businessman?
I was aware of, sir, but now Narayan Murthy.
Yeah, Narayan Murthy. Correct. Now, do you know you are an MBA marketing? What is it you are having on your hand now?
Nothing, sir.
What is nearby you?
My mobile phone is nearby me, sir.
Okay. Imagine you are the marketing officer of the mobile company and your company has come out with a new mobile model. So please try to canvas for selling it. Imagine you are talking to a group of distributors. Please talk for 2 minutes.
Hi all, myself Navneet. I am coming from ABC Mobile Branding Company. Today I am here to introduce our new product. This is Beacon X. This is a product which comprises of all new features of the of the available phones in the market. Apart from that, this also comprises of customized features which can be customized for the users differently. This mobile phone comprises of 4 cameras, which has included both telescopic wide and also micro and macro, and for the primary camera. It is all built with 50 megapixel. Don't look for the 50 megapixel camera, but we have an specialized and dedicated software that was developed by our R&D team, and this will increase the quality of the photo after taking. And mostly we have inbuilt an artificial intelligence feature in our phone that will work like the high-end brands like iPhone, Samsung, and all work, because the Samsung is coming with Bixby and the iPhone is coming with Siri.
Good.
Like that.
What do you know about South Indian Bank?
South Indian Bank is headquartered in Kerala, and it was the first private sector bank from Kerala to be scheduled by RBI Act, and it was the first bank to open NRI branch in abroad, and also the South Indian Bank was the first bank among Kerala to use the CBS system, that is core banking system. And the South Indian Bank is currently running under a profit, and while comparing to the last year, and the South Indian Bank has
so you need to prepare on that. Doesn't matter. Please tell me, what is CASA?
CASA refers to current account and saving account ratio, sir.
What is CASA ratio of our South Indian Bank?
Sir, I searched for that, sir, but I can't find it correctly.
Okay, doesn't matter. Why banks are keen on having more of CASA?
Sir, it will show the financial stability, sir. Higher the proportion of CASA deposits is the overall. I mean, it will show that bank is financially healthy, sir. It means that bank has a large pool of stable funding to lend out and generate revenue, sir.
Okay. Now, I think it is getting repeated. What is Sukanya Samriddhi scheme?
Not aware of, sir.
Please get to know that it is one of the post office related saving scheme. It can be opened in individual banks also. What is NPA?
Non-performing assets, sir. This is actually, if the non-performing assets is more, sir, it is actually a bad remark for the bank, sir, because non-performing assets generally, for example, if we lend a loan for a person and he is not lending back it, repaying it within a time span of 90 days, it can be considered as a non-performing asset. If the bank's non-performing assets are increasing, then it is showing that the bank has poor repaying. I mean, the bank is poor in managing the loans, and they are targeting wrong customers. I mean, they are with the wrong customers.
What is IBC full form?
IBC full form. Not aware, sir.
Insolvency and Bankruptcy Court.
Insolvency and Bankruptcy Court.
Bankruptcy Court. Okay, last question. What is KYC and its purpose?
Sir, KYC is the KYC full form is know your customer. Its purpose is to identify the whole background data of the customer. Because of this only, the Paytm is now in a crisis. The main purpose of the KYC is to know customer who is customer who is making the payment, who is involving in the transactions, sir. who is opening the account and all. Then it is done by using ID proofs or something, that relevant ID proofs, sir.
What are the ID proofs?
Aadhaar card can be used as an ID proof, sir. And voter ID also can also, PAN card can also be used as ID proof, sir.
Okay, not bad. Very good. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Please attend the interview tomorrow.
Sure, sir.
And send the questions they are asking.
Sure, sir.
I think today somebody would have attended from our group. Did anybody give you questions on that? Please
No,
put in our group. Anybody who has attended the interview today, please send the questions asked. What was the GD topic you asked like that as
Sure,
a
sir.
candidate? Very good.
Sure,
Thank
sir.
you.